Now, when I started this book right here, The Laws of Human Nature, I had to sit it down because it really had me looking at the YTC boxing scene. And that's why you hear me still using this slang heavy, Internet Boxing Weirdos, because of this book right here. So I took a little break on that, as well as this one right here, but you can see my bookmarks. But yeah, this is my collection right now I'm taking from. But the Laws of Human Nature really had me looking at the YTC boxing in a different light. People's actions don't really add up. But the news by Shanewz. This is the Source Experience. Got it! You know the vibe.